everyone Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and I'm just going to do a short video real quick. I'm going to share a poem I wrote with you. I haven't really thought of a name for it, but I'm going to call it "'Twas the Drone Before Christmas." 'Twas the drone before Christmas. I'm just going to get right into it. Here we go. 'Twas the night before Christmas, and all through the house not a creature was stirring, and no one was soused. In the early morning hours of this very Christmas day, all the presents were wrapped, and all the quads had been put away. The stockings were hung by the chimney with care, in hope that a tiny whoop would be found there. The children were nestled all snug in their beds, while visions of fat sharks danced in their heads. With Mama in her gown and me in my cap, a noise came from outside, and I thought to myself, holy crap. I ran to the window. I could not believe what I did see. It was my next door neighbor. He was flying FPV. I turned and smiled at my beautiful bride. She glared at me and said, "Your butt's staying inside." As I hung my head and kicked off my slippers, I laid back down, but I could hear those motors whisper, "Come fly, come fly, come fly in the night." Don't worry about her. She'll be all right. As I lay there and I contemplated on what I should do, should I just fly one quad, or should I take two? So I jumped out of bed. I grabbed all my gear. I sprang out the door, because I didn't care. With a chill in the air and the moon all aglow, I ripped so many packs, and then I knew it was time to go. I gathered all my stuff and headed back to the house. It was all so worth it, even if I had to sleep on the couch. Be careful of what you say, I repeated in my mind. I just wasn't quite sure of what I would find. As I walked into the room, no more surprised could I be. Children were laughing and playing as micro-quads buzzed around the tree. With gift in her hand, she said, "You make me proud to be your wife." So I opened my present. I couldn't believe it. It was a Hawk 5. I don't want this Christmas day to come to an end, but joy, peace, and love is what I want to send. So after the presents have all been opened, and there's no more places you have to go, just sit back and watch Roger and Kim, or maybe even Mr. Crowley's show. This is a season for giving, and it doesn't have to be such a fuss. Just remember one thing: Drone Pool flies S-Bus. A Merry Christmas I wish to all, and I'm not lying. Blessings to you, and as always, happy flying. Merry Christmas, everyone. Be safe. Happy New Year. Thank you for all your support on my channel. God bless you. This is Drone Pool, signing out.